Question number 7, find the value of each of the following. So these are multiplication. Part A is 0.63 into 10. So when we multiply, the decimal moves towards right. In division, it is opposite. In division, decimal move from right to left, and in multiplication, decimal move from left to right. So how many zeros? 1 0. So this is 63. Decimal will come here, 6.3. This is answer. Part B, 40.125 multiplied by 100. So 100. When we multiply, the value of the number increases, so it means the decimal will move towards right. How many digit? Because 2 zeros, so 2 digits. 41.2.5. So value of the number increased here, 4012.5. Part C is 0.0251 multiplied by 100. No 3 zeros. So decimal will move 3 digits towards right. 1 2 3. So 251. So 1 2 3. So this will be 25.1. This is answer. Because left side there is no value of zeros, so that is why this is 25.1. Part D is 13.6 divided by 10. This is division. So decimal will move towards right. This will be 1.36, opposite to the multiplication. In multiplication, decimal move towards right, and in division, decimal move towards left. Part E, 530.5 divided by 100. So now it is division divided by 100. So decimal towards right. Answer will be 5, 2 digit here, 5.305. So this is answer. Part F is 26.68 divided by 1000. So decimal will move towards left. 1 2. So 2668, decimal was here, so it will come here. 1 2 3 digit, so there is no third digit. We will place here 0 and then decimal. So you can write one more 0 here, but 0.02668, this is answer. Now the question number 8, express each of the following lengths in stated unit. So kilometers are given, we need to convert into meters, meters to centimeters, centimeters to millimeters, like this. So part A is 0.123 kilometers in meters. So we need to convert kilometers. That means 0.123. We will multiply this with 1000, because in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. So 1000. So it is changed into meters. So in multiplication, decimal moves from left to right. So this will be 3 digit 1, because 3 zeros. So decimal will be 123 point, it will come here, we can put here 0. So this is 123 meters. Part B is 83 meters in centimeter, 83 meters in centimeters. So what is the relationship? 83 meters into centimeter. In 1 meter there is 100 centimeters. So 83 multiplied by 100. So it is changed into centimeters. So where is decimal? Decimal is here. So it will shift towards because multiplication, decimal will go to the right. So 8300 decimal here. So two zeros are placed here with. So this is a centimeter. So part C is 0.1556 centimeters in millimeters, or we can write millimeters. So we need to convert centimeters into millimeters. That is equal to 0.1556. In 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. So we will multiply with the 10. This is changed into millimeters. So multiplying, the decimal will come towards right. So this will be 1.556 and this is millimeters. This is answer. Part D of this question, 1037 centimeters in meters. We need to convert centimeter into meters. 1037. Now centimeter is smaller, meter is bigger. In this case, this is the first case that the given unit is smaller, and we will change it to bigger unit. For in this case we will not multiply this one, we will divide this one. Divided by in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters, so we will divide by 100. So 1037. So by dividing, decimal is here, so it will move towards left. This will be here. So 10.37. This is now in meters. So this is answer. Part E, 503 meter in kilometer. Again we are from smaller to bigger unit. From smaller to bigger we will not multiply, we will divide it. That is equal to 503 divided by, what is the relationship? In 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters, so we will divide this by 1000. So in division, decimal by default is here, so it will shift 1 2 3 3 digit 503 here. We can write here 0. So this is in kilometers. Part F, 2.5 millimeter in centimeters. So millimeter is a bigger smaller unit, centimeter is bigger. We need to change it from smaller to bigger. So 2.5, we will divide it. What is the relationship? In 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. We will divide it by 10. So by dividing, decimal will shift here, so this will be 0.25, so in centimeters. Now the question number 9. Question 9, part A. 6.23 tons in kilograms. So tons is bigger unit, we need to convert into smaller unit. So that is equal to 6.23 tons bigger unit. There are 1000 kg kilograms in 1 ton, so this will be 1 multiplied by 1000, it is converted into kg, so multiply with 1000, so this will be this is 623, we can place 10 here, that is no issue because this is decimal, we can place the 0. And now we need to move 3 digits, so this will be here 230, this is kilograms, so this is answer. Part B is 0.066 kilograms, kgs in grams, so bigger unit to smaller unit. So what is the relationship? 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams, so that is equal to 0.066 multiply by 1000, so this will be grams, g. So multiply 3 digit decimal will move from here to here, 3 digit, that will be equal to 066 this one here, so equal to grams, that means 66 grams. So part C is 0.0256 tons in kilograms. So this is a tons, bigger unit, bigger to smaller unit. So 0.0256, this will be multiplied by 1000, so this is kg, so that is equal to in multiplication decimal from this is here, so it will move towards right, 1 2 3 digit, so this will be 256 kg, so this is answer. Part D is 365 grams in kilograms. So smaller to bigger, 365 divided by 1000, because in 1 kilogram 1000 grams, so 1 divided by 1000, it is converted into kilograms. So decimal is by default is here, so it will shift to there. 365 decimal is here, so we can put here 0, so this is a kg, kilograms. Then part E, 8 9 2 3 4 kilograms, 2 3 4 kilograms, 2 3 4 kilograms in tons, Now smaller to bigger unit, smaller to bigger, we will divide this one, 8 9 2 3 4 divided by 1000, because relationship is there are 1000 tons in 1 kilogram, so divide by 1000, So this will be tons. Now it changed tons, and decimal by default is here. So 12389.234 tons. So this is answer. Part F is 2.056 kg kilograms in tons. So again, smaller to bigger unit. So we will divide this one. 2.056 divided by 1000, because there are 1000 kilograms in 1 ton. So 1000, it is changed into tons. So by dividing 2056, decimal is here, so it will come 3 digit, 1 2 3, because there are no digits, so we will place 0, and this is decimal, we can put here 0. So this is the tons. This is answer.